Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to remake or vote for a remake in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and click on play, and then go ahead and click on a custom game, and let's try it on a custom game alone. So let me just do it really quick. Allow sheets, and here we go. Let's choose this map. You can choose whatever you like, and then click on start. After that, guys, you will launch the game, so we will have to pick, and then inside the game itself, I will show you how the remake or the FF system environment is actually working, how you can vote to FF, and how many people do you need actually to FF, and when you can FF in the game or remake. So now let's wait until we land inside the game. So here we go, and let's try this out. So here we are. I don't know this crosshair, guys. Let me just change it real quick. All right. So basically, guys, if you wanted to FF inside of the game, go here to the match, and you will find this surrender button. So as you can see here, you might, if I click on it in the round one or the first round, they will give you this message that you can't really FF until you achieve or the fifth round. So, unless you are not in the fifth round, you will not be able to FF. And basically, guys, how the system works, you need to be like you only can FF once per like side. So, for example, now I'm on the attacker side. I will need to wait until round 5, and then I will be able to surrender. And any other teammate will not be able to surrender after that if like the surrender got rejected, because you will need to wait until we get to the other side, which is to the defender side. And the same goes for this defender side. So if I was in the defender side, I only can like FF once, and basically you need 4 people at least. So 4 people at least to be able to FF. So for example, if we said 4 people, 3 people voted yes and 2 people voted no, you will not be able to actually end the game, and the game will be playable. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.